Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from the shooting range. I thought to myself, I've got a gun with me, I've got some ammo, I've got a nice table. Why not just stop for the afternoon and take a couple of shots and, you know, just give you guys some good entertainment to watch. I brought along this M3. That's what I've got today. I've got it hooked up to shoot some 34 grain slugs. And there's one point down there next to an old power line where all the starlings usually come together and they dive bomb the feeding troughs. So I'll station myself that way. And as they sit down, I will smash them down for you guys. So sit back, relax. I think this is gonna be good. Batman. Magnifique. Oh, ouchies, ouchies. Good morning. Perfect. So I am dealing with some wind here today. As you guys can see, I've got a very strong gusty headwind. Now and again it does fishtail from my 2 o'clock and then it goes over to my 10 o'clock. Makes it very tricky to hold down there on the birds. The nice thing is there's an old, wooden pole which the old power lines is connected to, and then I take a couple of shots now and again on that wooden pole just for reference to see more or less what the wind is doing. And then when the birds sit down, I use the same hold and I smash it off the wire. A little bit of a cheat code that I do before I shoot them. Perfect, another one down. Yes, I love it, I love it. Smoked. Brick, bush, brick, bush. Bastards, they're hiding inside the bush. And now they're on the wire. Smoked that one. Spinneroonie straight down. So let's speak about the gun that I'm using today. It's an M3 FX Impact. It's got a 700mm barrel. Inside there, a 1/16 twist heavy slug liner. Shooting the H&N heavy slugs today, 34 grain 218 at 980 feet per second. I've got my trusty Donny FL Ronin silencer. On the top, I've got an Element Nexus scope. Air Marksman backbone rail on the top of the gun, keeping everything nice and sturdy. And then underneath, also from Air Marksman, I've got the anvil rail. In the front, I've got this nice Accutech bipod. It's got a nice wide stance, and it's got this awesome little ski feet at the bottom, keeping the gun steady. From the guys from Form Rifle Stocks, I've got this beautiful red laminate grip. I love this grip. It looks nice and feels nice in the hand as well. And then moving to the back, I've got a aftermarket buttstock here from the guys from Delta Force. And that's basically it in a nutshell. This gun is very accurate, very consistent, and it's just a nice target shooting gun from the bench as it is at the moment. Pew! Another one down. Another one down. Oh yes! Love it when it curls in and smash them down like that. Another double tap, just for you guys out there. Well, you know you're doing something right when the Starlings is committing suicide. Because I'm pretty sure they see each other get knocked off the wire by this gun setup. And check this out, I've managed to capture Starling. It looked like he wanted to end it all. He literally just jumped from the top wire all the way down to the ground without opening up his wings. Super funny. Whoa! Ouchies! Big pop. Smoked. Ooh! That could not have tasted very well. Boom! Smashed another one down. Here's that power line. And look at this. All the dead bodies laying underneath here. Scattered. Just starlings everywhere. So guys, I've been out here the whole day, so I'm going to call it quits. And I just want to quickly say to you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you like today's content, hit that like button. If you want to see more of this kind of content, then remember to subscribe. Until next time, cheers.